Accept. Ufuna span? Okay. Atikvaleli CV from 1 to 3 pages. We employ a simple process. This is all you have to do. So number 1, send us your current CV via WhatsApp to the number on your screen. It can be in PDF or Microsoft Word document format. Number 2, pay 250 Rand via FNB e-wallet, Cash Send or Standard Bank. Number 3, send us a screenshot of your proof of payment. And number 4, let us work our magic and get back to you in a day or 2. Easy, ne? Plus nale price ilahlile again. So this special runs from April up until June 16. Need some more convincing? Check these out. So, as a way of showing appreciation for your support, we're giving away a 45-minute long shoot to order number 25 in each of these consecutive months that the special is running. You can use that 45-minute shoot for a graduation or a matric farewell or portrait session. It's entirely up to you. So do the right thing. Send us that CV because that new job is waiting for you. Danko.